you've been thinking to change the color of that ugly, really ugly furniture thing because it doesn't not match your vibe, it does not match your aesthetic. So you're thinking, where do I start? How do I do that? And maybe you're browsing onto YouTube in order to look up for other people messing up their lives and doing DIY things instead of just maybe buying another piece of furniture. Well, if that's the case, this is your video. Hello, my fellow little clouds. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Noemi and I'm an Italian artist and small business owner. Hi, how are you? I hope this day is treating you fine. A quick thing before we dive into the DIY project that I have no idea of how to start and what to do, but I'm making a video anyway. I wanted to say that you have been nominated. Yes, you. Does your dog or your cat have a phone, iPhone, Android, something? Yes, because they are being nominated to actually scroll a little bit down and click on the subscription button. More than 80% of the people that watch my video are not subscribed, and I'm pissed off about that because I'm here to stay. I'm here to give you content, to give you stupid things. So if you like stupid things, why not become a part of this team? Yeah, become a cloud, become a fellow little cloud, you too. Cloud because my shop is named after 5 pink clouds, by the way. This video, what the hell? Yeah, so basically I have that piece there, which is a bluish color. I will put a video right now with a close-up and you can see that that color is, I don't want to color shame anyone, but if you have a love, passion for blue, that's fine, but it does not match my vibe because my vibe is pink, is pastel colors, lilac, lavender, maybe a little bit of yellow and bluish, baby blue maybe, but not that color. So we are going to change this situation right now. Before we dive into the actual doing of the thing, I want to show you what are the things that I'm going to use. So tools, obviously scissors and a pencil to mark, measurements and stuff. And then I have this cute meter, which is tiny, and I think it will be really useful to measure measurements. I forgot a plastic card to avoid bubbles, and the B3 to use it really safely because it's really sharp. The most important part is that I bought this auto adhesive paper, plastic paper. It's really cute, and it does says that you can use it on furniture, so yay. I was not wrong about this. I bought two because the furniture is not that big, but it has many holes to fix, like let's say. So I really wanted to be sure that I was able to do it all, so yay. Okay, so let's get right into the action. As you can see, the first things I did was to clean up the furniture piece and to take off everything that was already put inside, because obviously you need it empty to cover up the color. So yeah, I'm doing just this, and then we will proceed with the next steps. As you can see, besides the color, the furniture was affected by the renovation of the house, so either way it was in need of a restyling. By the way, I'm going to introduce you to my wonderful, wonderful assistant, which is my dog, Moshi. Obviously, he's not here to help, just to judge and then leave. Next step is obviously to take some measurements, but since it's my first time doing such thing, I didn't know that I couldn't just place the paper on and take the measurement right away, but still I will figure it out soon. Exactly what I was talking about. After I laid down the furniture, I started with the first side. It was quite challenging, I need to say that, because there are lots of not so straight lines to cut out, so yeah. As always, I got fixated on stupid details instead of going on with the work, but it's no biggie, it's no biggie. Yes, I'm still spending like an hour on details instead of going on like it didn't took me 5 hours to finish the work. Okay, so this is the side from afar and it seems kind of perfect, but if you look just a little bit closer, you can see the imperfection I was talking about, even if I tried my best to fix it, but that's okay, that's okay. Now we go on with the second side, and I must say the second side I took it a little bit easier. Instead of taking measurements, I just went straight into sticking the paper and then cutting it off, and it was amazing. And then I also wanted to fix the bottom, even if I first thought nobody will see it, but yeah, I know myself, I will see it. So I fixed it using the scrap of paper left. So this is the outside done, and I'm pretty happy with the result. The color, it's really beautiful and I can't wait to see it all done. I need to say that I took the project too light, and just in a second you will understand what do I mean, because I needed to be a little bit quicker, and instead I focused too much on details without thinking that I had all those little windows to cover. So yeah, you will see the night that comes in very soon.
Vieni qua. Sì, vieni qua. Beh. Che succede? Che succede? Boh. Visto. Che succede? Piano. Piano. Va bene? Ma hai fatto rotto in faccia! Boh! Ruttino mi hai fatto! Hai fatto rotto in faccia! Ma scusa! Ma si fanno i rutti in faccia alla mamma? Ma si fanno i rutti in faccia alla mamma?
After this heart attack that my dog gave me, I started fixing all the windows, and I decided to do the bottom part first and then the left and the right side. I didn't touch the back because it's in a light brown and it's wood, so it's perfect like this. I didn't cover the top part too because I thought I will always stand up in front of the furniture, therefore I don't care. Here you can see that I was finishing up the left side of each window, but soon enough I realized that the paper was not enough for the right side. But no worries, because since the furniture is placed on the left side of the room, from where I stand or where I sit, I cannot see the right side. So yay for the logic.
No, è fresco.
So this is the final result with everything placed in already, and I'm really happy and really satisfied. for how it looks. And even if the right side is not fully completed, I don't care, because also when you put things inside, you only see the beginning of the window. Let me know what you think of the result, and bye!